Hello, good morning. So today we are focusing on object detection. So I'm using Kotlin app, which is sending real-time flow video to web server. As you can see here, I'm in local network. And also the same stream is duplicated to a Python server. So in this Python server, I have YOLO. So it receives the stream and make detection. So here as the menu object that I have placed, and it can detect in real time. So we will see the Python part. For the Kotlin part and web service part, it will be treated in another video. But this time we will focusing on object detection using YOLO. How does it work? So in my Android app, I have WebSocket server, which is sending to both web dashboard and also Python YOLO, which here it will display the real-time video, and here it make detection. So here the Python will receive the frame, he will use the YOLO, and it will make detection whether it is per person or another object. So in my Kotlin app, as I told you, it will be not explained in this video, but tell me in the comments if you want to dedicate video for that. I have update my WebSocket server so that it can handle many clients, and also I updated the sending of video frame, sorry, so I can send to my both clients. So in my Python, we will see how we will do it together, how it is work. First, install Python in your laptop. Then in your folder, when you want to execute, we want to create a folder, name it II client. So we'll do it together. Okay, we have a file, a folder, name it II client. Then we will go to our path here, and we need to check if Python is present or not. So I can use this one. You can use where is .x Python or also where is .x Python. From my side, I have Python, so I can test this directly, but I put you the comment if you want to test. So I have this version of Python. So first we need to create a virtual environment. I put you the comment if you are using Python like that. Then we will need to activate this environment like that. Okay, good. Next step, we need to install packages. Pip install WebSocket client. Good. As you can see, it is successful. Then we create our main .py file in our folder. So we can go here. main.py. Don't forget to change the extension like that. Can open it. I want to open it with blocknot. And here I put here you put your phone IP. So how to know it? You can use some application, for example, Ping Master, or directly from the settings of the phone. You can in some phone you can IP and you get your IP address in your Wi-Fi network, local network. So here I know the IP of my phone like that. I store it, and here we will receive packet, and just to check here, just we will need to check if we receive packet or not. So we go here, step. So here all thing is good. What we will need now So here I will open my phone application. Okay, and here, so from I remind you, from here it is opened. So here from my Python I will launch it. How to launch it? You launch it like that. Python main.py. So you launch it. Sorry. We need to go to the good folder. And here, from here, we launch it. And here I am having the phone in my other hand. And you can see, so good thing, YOLO is receiving frame. So this is the first step. We receive the frame, then we will see how to process the frame in the next step. Now we have received data, so now the idea is to analyze frame by frame. So let's take a frame, so let's take a photo and let's analyze it. So for that, we will take this code, Python code. Here, don't forget to change and to make your the IP address of your phone. And let's modify it. I modify directly here. Okay, we safeguard the file. So now we execute. So the execute is always to make Python and the name of your file. Python, sorry. Here to execute. So let's execute it here. Here connected and frame GPG. Save it. I will launch it again to take a good picture. Okay, frame save it. So we have a new file called frame. You see it, we have it. Can check the content. And here you can see it's my little horse. So here we get the frame. So the next step, we will try to analyze this frame. To do that, to analyze the image, first you need to install this part. It will take 3 or 4 minutes. I have do it. Then you put that in your code. Just before storing the image here, you put this part, and you start your you execute your application. Of course, you have the phone which is filming, and here you can have many example. Here it is here, for example, the case of frame. Save it, and here it is a horse. So I can show you the image. You can see it here. You an example of outputs here. So here you can compare by the output that you get from your site. So let's move now to real-time video analysis. So let's install these two parts, OpenCV and NumPy. They are already installed from my side. And then you hear the code that you need to use for real-time analysis and detection with YOLO. So you put all here. Don't forget to change your phone IP phone. And here, let's execute here to show you what we are displaying real time. And here we get some results. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me your feedbacks and comments in the video. Thank you.